My dear student, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. How are you all? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Dear students, you see, although the present condition of our country is not good for coronavirus, okay, but Milestone School and College has arranged online classes for you. Hope all of you will be benefited from these classes. Therefore, what you have to do? You have to do very serious about the classes and be attentive for understanding. My dear students, you see, when you will join in my class, at that time you have to have math book, CW and other things. As today I will discuss about your geometry class, therefore you have to have geometry box. Okay, so let's see what is our today's topics. So my dear students, I am going to take class 8 and today's topic is geometry chapter 8, and from 8.2 we are going to solve a problem that is 16 number problem. Okay, before doing any types of drawing or before solving any types of problem, what you have to do, you have to know the question. So let's see what is our today's question. And my dear student, open your book and see problem number 16, what is written over there. Okay, my dear, here is written the length of the adjacent two sides of a rectangle 3 cm and 4 cm respectively. We have to draw the rectangle. My dear students, you see, we have to draw a rectangle, but what are the things are given? Here given two things. One is two adjacent sides. Do you know what is adjacent sides? When two sides will be joined each other by a corner or edge, that is called adjacent side. Okay, and these two adjacent sides are given. One is 3 cm and another one is 4 cm, and we have to draw a rectangle. So for that you have to write, my dear, the proposition. Some of you are telling that, sir, it is very difficult to write the proposition. My dear, don't be worried. It's very easy to write the proposition. For that, what you have to do? Just see the problem. Read out the problem 1 time, 2 times or 3 times. Then easily you will understand what you have to write the proposition part. Do you know what is proposition? Proposition means what you want to do and what are the things given. According to your given things, what is your aim and what you want to do. This is your proposition. Means you are going to propose what is your aim and what you want to do. Again I am telling. So what? Here is given the length of two adjacent sides are 3 cm and 4 cm of a rectangle. We have to draw the rectangle. Just these are the things you will include in the proposition part. What is given? Given is the length of the adjacent two sides of a rectangle are 3 cm and 4 cm respectively. The rectangle is to be constructed, or you can write, we have to draw the rectangle. I think you have understood, and how to write a proposition you have understood. My dear, this proposition depend on the problem. Maximum answer of proposition, so far I know, it is given in the question. Am I clear to you? So don't try to memorize the proposition part in the geometry. My dear, let's see how to draw the rectangle. For drawing these types of rectangle, first of all, what you have to do? See, we have to draw the side 4 centimeter by the help of scale, pencil, and another one is 3 centimeter. As these two sides are given in the step, therefore I have drawn these two sides. Now by using these two sides we will draw a rectangle. So for that we will take a ray. What is the name of this ray? Ray is BE. BE is a ray, and from BE we will cut off. We will cut off, see, this portion, that is C. BC is equal to will be what? 4 centimeter. By the help of compass, what we will do? We will draw an arc, and it is BC, and BC is equal to will be how many centimeter? 4 centimeter. So my dear students, already you know how I have drawn an arc and BC equal to how many centimeter. Can you tell me what will be the first step for this one? We cut off BC is equal to how many centimeter? 4 centimeter from BE. So my dear, see, what is the first step? We cut off BC equal to 4 centimeter from any ray BE. And after that, what is the second work? Just in the second work you have to do one thing, that is you have to have a compass. By the help of compass you have to draw an arc on B point. Okay, taking any measurement we will draw an arc from like this way. Okay, in the B point you see I have drawn an arc, and taking any convenient length, centering this point we will draw an arc here. Okay, so here will be another arc. Taking same length we will draw another arc here. Like this way we will draw another arc, my dear students. And after that, centering this point, taking same measurement, we will draw another arc here. And after that, centering this point, we will draw like this way another arc. So how many arcs I have drawn over here? You see I have drawn 2 arcs here. Now we will join these 2 points. Okay, when we will join these 2 points and it will be a perpendicular. Okay, what is the name of this perpendicular? BF. And so far I have shown you the things. Like this way you can draw a perpendicular. Why we will draw here is a perpendicular? Because we need how many degree over here? Here we need 90 degree. For that you have to draw a perpendicular. And after that what you have to do, my dear students, is very easy. We can tell the steps. We have drawn BF perpendicular on BC at point P. So what will be the step? Again I am telling, we draw perpendicular BF on BC at B. This is the perpendicular, it is drawn on BC in point at point B. So this is the step number 2. We draw BF perpendicular to BC at B. Have you understood? Hope you are understanding. Now see, my dear student, what we have to do? It's very simple. So take the length of measurement of 3 centimeter, and after that, centering B, we will cut this point. Okay, so now this point will be A. So and BA will be equal to how many centimeter? Can you tell me? Yes, BA will be 3 centimeter. So what will be this step? almost this step is similar to first one, but we have to change the name, and here will be BA and here will be BF. So how can we write the step? We cut off BA is equal to how many centimeter? 3 centimeter from BF. So again we cut off BA equal to 3 centimeter from any ray BF. So my dear students, it is a third number step. Like this way you can write the step number 3, and very interesting things. Look at the screen, and it is very easy. So now what we have to do? So taking the length of how many centimeter? 4 centimeter, my dear student. Taking length of how many centimeter? And the 4 centimeter, centering EA, we will draw an arc here. Okay, we are going to draw an arc here. So what? Centering A, taking length of 4 centimeter, we will draw an arc like this way, and after that centering C, taking length of 3 centimeter, we draw an arc here. Okay, like this way. Try to draw another arc. See, this arc I have drawn centering C, and this arc I have drawn centering A. So can you tell me what will be the distance in between these 2 points? This distance of these 2 points will be 4 centimeter, and distance of these 2 points will be 3 centimeter. Do you know in which point they have intersect each other? Yes, they have intersect at point D, and after that what we have to do? It is time to join these two lines. Before that, what will be the step? Do you know, my dear? So we can write, we draw 2 arcs. How many arcs we have drawn here? 2 arcs, centering A and C. So you can write centering A and C, taking length of how many centimeter? 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. We draw how many arcs? 2 arcs. They intersect at D. My dear, you can write like this way, or you can write centering A, taking length of 4 centimeter, we draw an arc with angle B, within the angle B, and centering C, taking the length of 3 centimeter, we draw another arc, and these two arcs intersect at D. My dear, don't try to memorize the step. Whatever you are doing here, you just write that types of things in the step, but don't write in the step paragraph. Okay, step will be a very simple and it will be meaningful sentence. Okay, so my dear students, again I'm telling what will be the our 4 number steps. We draw 2 arcs. How many arcs? 2 arcs, centering A and C, taking length of first how many centimeter? 4 centimeter, and secondly 3 centimeter. We have to draw how many arcs? 2 arcs within the angle A, B, C, or simply you can write angle B. Within the angle B, centering A and centering C, we draw how many arcs? 2 arcs, taking the length of 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. Again I'm telling, centering A, taking length of 4 centimeter, we draw an arc, and centering C, taking length of 3 centimeter, we draw another arc within the angle B, and these two arcs intersect at D. Okay, now we joined AD and CD. Do you know AD equal to what? AD equal to 4 centimeter and CD is equal to what? CD equal to 3 centimeter. This is the way, my dear. Like this way you can draw a rectangle. So my dear, do you know why it is a rectangle? Yes, it is rectangle because its opposite sides are equal and one angle is how many degree? 90 degree. My dear, so finally there is another step remaining, that is we joined AD and CD. So let's see, the 5 number step will be we join AD, CD, and when we will join AD and CD, then it become a quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral's name is what? Rectangle. My dear students, therefore ABCD, ABCD is the required rectangle, because here is, you can see 4 centimeter in the red portion, and this one is also 4 centimeter, and this one is 3 centimeter, this one is 3 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal and angles are how many degree? 90 degree. You know, if it is 90 degree, then it is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree, 90 degree. Therefore ABCD is our required what? Rectangle. So like this way, my dear, you can draw a rectangle. It's very easy and it is very interesting things. Try to draw a rectangle taking another types of measurement. Practice more and more. Hope you will be able to draw these types of rectangle easily. Okay, my dear students, as I have discussed these types of things, how to draw a rectangle, and it is very important for your exam. Okay, hope you can draw easily, and after that I want to give you a homework. Okay, my dear, as I have discussed these types of things and it is very easy, I'm telling several times, therefore I want to give a homework. And what is your homework, dear? See, and this homework I have taken from your book, page number, you see, 97. Go to your book and exercise 8.2. See, 8.2, and problem number 18. What is problem number 18? The length of two adjacent sides are given of a rectangle. Okay, you have to draw a rectangle, or you can take different types of side, but don't take two sides same length. In same length it will be different, because you are going to draw a rectangle. In a rectangle all sides are not equal. So my dear students, like this way you can do the homework. Go to your book and open 8.2 number page exercise, and after that try to do and try to solve this problem. And another things, after drawing this one you will try to draw another types of quadrilateral also. Okay, my dear students, no more today. Thank you all, and I hope these times will be very useful for you, as you are watching different types of online classes, and you will be benefited if you utilize the class perfectly, and if you utilize your time perfectly, and don't forget to watch one thing, that is Sanskrit classes, and it is very important for you, and you know these classes are very important. Try to keep your eyes on Sanskrit TV channel for national classes, and side by side whatever I have given to you, try to see that one. Thank you all. Have a nice day.